Welcome to our fun exploration of use cases versus user stories. These two tools might seem similar, but they're like comparing a detailed recipe to a quick grocery list. One gives you the full cooking instructions, while the other just tells you what ingredients you need. They both help you make dinner, but in very different ways. Use cases are like the architectural blueprints for your software. They show all the possible ways users might interact with your system, complete with success paths, failure paths, and alternative flows. Think of them as the comprehensive instruction manual that leaves nothing to chance. User stories are the quick jotted notes that capture what users actually want to accomplish. They're written from the user's perspective and follow as simple as a "I want, so that" format. No fancy diagrams needed, just pure user intent. Here's where they really differ. Use cases dive deep into every possible scenario, while user stories keep things light and focused. It's the difference between reading War and Peace versus a tweet. Both can be valuable, but serve different purposes. So, when should you use each? If you're building something complex like an air traffic control system, you'll want use cases. But if you're in a fast-moving, agile team building a mobile app, user stories will keep you moving quickly. Use cases often come with bow ties and formal presentations, while user stories prefer jeans and whiteboard conversations. One speaks the language of stakeholders and contracts, the other speaks the language of collaboration and iteration. Use cases tend to be created upfront by analysts, while user stories spark ongoing conversations between developers and stakeholders. One sets the stage before the play begins, the other improvises as the performance unfolds. Despite their differences, these two tools share important common ground. Both help us understand what users need, both keep us focused on delivering value, and both ultimately guide our development efforts. They're like different instruments playing the same beautiful song. The best teams often mix both approaches. You might start with user stories to capture quick ideas, then develop detailed use cases for complex features. It's not about choosing one over the other, but about using the right tool for each situation. So remember, use cases give you comprehensive coverage, user stories give you speed and flexibility. The best approach depends on your project, your team, and your goals. Now go forth and choose your requirements tools wisely, you magnificent software creator.